using emojis and HTML. Emojis are characters from the UTF-8 character set, and you can see here 3 emojis. So what are emojis? Emojis look at images or icons, but they are not. They are letters, characters from the UTF-8, the Unicode character set. UTF-8 covers almost all of the characters and symbols in the world. The HTML charset attribute. To display an HTML page correctly, a web browser must know the character set used in the page. This is specified in the meta tag. So we have angle brackets, we have the meta element, we have the charset attribute =, double quotes, and inside of the double quotes we're gonna type in the UTF-8. If not specified, UTF-8 is the default character set in HTML. And when we go to Visual Studio Code, for example, and you just press Shift !, you're gonna see that we have here in lines 4, we have the meta element, the charset attribute, and it's set into the UTF-8 by default. When you press Shift ! And you have this template here. So here we have the UTF-8 characters. Many UTF-8 characters cannot be typed on a keyboard, but they can always be displayed using numbers called entity numbers. So the A is going to be the 65, B 66, C is going to be 67. So for example, we're going to grab this example here. We're going to go to Visual Studio Code and just going to paste it here. So here we have inside of the body section, we're gonna have 2 paragraphs. The first paragraph is gonna say, I will display ABC, okay? The second paragraph, line 9, is gonna say, I will display ampersand # 65, as we saw here in this example. A is gonna be represented by 65, so it's gonna be ampersand $, and then the number 65. So B is going to be 66, so it's going to be ampersand $ 66, and C is going to be ampersand $ 67. So this is what we have here. So now we're going to open it with Alt+L+O, or you just go here to your index.html file or whatever name you name it, right click, and then open with live server. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to open the website, and this is how it should look like. So that is that for this example. Example explain. The meta element charset attribute UTF-8 element defines the charset set. Defines the character set. The characters A, B, and C are displayed by the number 65, 66, and 67. To let the browser understand that you are displaying a character, you must start the entity number with the ampersand and then the number sign, and end it with a semicolon. So you start with an ampersand, the number sign, and you end it with a semicolon. So here are emoji characters. Emojis are also characters from the UTF-8 alphabet. So we have 3 emojis. This first emoji is represented by the number 12, 85, 16. The second emoji is represented by the number 12, 85, 25, and the third emoji is represented by the number 12, 81, 51. So, and again, you're not gonna type a straightforward 12, 81, 51. We're gonna start with the ampersand, the number sign, the number, and then we're gonna end it with a semicolon. So we're gonna see this example. We're gonna grab it. We're gonna go to Visual Studio Code. Let me see. We're gonna paste it here. Okay, my first emoji. Inside of this paragraph, I'm gonna have the ampersand, the number sign, and I'm gonna pick this emoji that is gonna be represented by the number 12, 85, 12, and I'm gonna end it with a semicolon. So I'm gonna open my website, and this is the emoji that I chose. So now, what else we can choose? I don't know, the second emoji maybe. And again, you're gonna go to your paragraph, to your H1, H2, whatever. You're just gonna type ampersand, then the number sign, then the number of the emoji. In this case I grab the 128525, and I'm gonna end it with a semicolon. I'm gonna save it and I'm gonna open the website, and this is the emoji that I chose. So, and finally we're gonna choose the third emoji, that is gonna be the number 128151. So again, I'm just gonna delete this number. So we have this paragraph, we have the ampersand, we have the number sign. Now I'm gonna grab this number 128151, and then I'm gonna end it with a semicolon, and this is the emoji that it looks like. So we're gonna close all this website. We saw this example. Since emojis are characters, they can be copied, displayed, and sized just like any other character in HTML. So let's see this example. We have this example here. We can go to Visual Studio Code, we paste it, and let's see what happens. And we have these 4 examples. We can go here and you can paste it and copy it. As you can see, I can just go right click and copy it, or you just press Ctrl C. We can go to Google and you just paste it with Ctrl V, and this is how it looks like. You can also press here, try it yourself, and let's see what happens. Yeah, it's gonna be the same thing. That is that. And here we have some emoji symbols in UTF-8. So we have in this first column we have the emoji, and the second column we're gonna have the value. Okay, so this is like a I don't know, a volcano. So let's see, we're gonna grab this value. We are gonna go inside of the, okay, it has some style, okay, it has some CSS. I'm gonna paste the, so you have to start again with ampersand, number sign, and then the number of the emoji. In this case is gonna be 128507, and then you end it with a semicolon. So we're gonna open our website, and yeah, it's like a volcano emoji. This is how it looks like. So now we can grab, I don't know, we can pick this emoji maybe, and you can play around with these emojis if you would like. So we're gonna go here and just paste it, ampersand, number sign, 128509, and then the semicolon at the end. Okay, so that is that, and you have all these emojis to play around with.